Depending on your sales, you may actually be able to save money by upgrading your Shopify store. To see all the billing plan options, we're going to go into settings, that is in the lower left corner, so click that. Once that page has loaded, click plan. It is the second option down. On the page that has loaded, it will show the current plan that you are paying for. So mine is the basic one, the cheapest one. I'm paying $39 a month because I'm paying monthly versus paying for a whole year in advance. To see all the plans that are available, go down to the bottom right and hit change plan. Now all of the plan options have popped up. We have basic, Shopify, and advanced. Again, right now I'm in the basic one. You will notice that there are different features between these different plans. So if you need, let's say you need professional reports, then you will have to select the top one. If you scroll down, you will see there is also a plan mainly just for retail stores. And then it says down below what all of them include. It is nice that they have included gift cards in all of the plans. The basic plan used to not include the gift card option. So we're going to scroll back to the top. And to figure out if we would save money by going to the next one up, we will first want to look at what the percentages changed in the fees. I'm going to focus just on online. If you are focusing on in-person, then just pay attention to those in-person numbers. So if I'm going to compare the basic plan with the second plan, the Shopify plan, we're going to look at, on the basic one, we're getting charged a 2.9% transaction fee. And on the Shopify plan, we are getting charged 2.6%. So that is a 0.3% difference in the fee we are paying. And then if we look up here, there is a $50 difference between the plan's cost per month. Now this is if you pay yearly. The amount may change a little bit if you're paying per month. So now we're going to do a little bit of math to determine what monthly sales amount would save us $50 by saving this extra 0.3%. So again, the difference between them is $50. The difference between the fee is 0.3%. And then all you need to do to figure this out is you take your $50, the difference between these two, and you divide it by that percent. So 0.3% is 0.003. And that will give us $16,666.67. So we can double check that. Take the $16,666.67, multiply that by 0.3%, and that gets us $50. So now we know if we had $16,666.67 in sales per month, we might as well jump up to the second level because we're breaking even, paying this extra $50. And then as your sales would keep increasing, that amount you are saving by switching up to this next one and saving that 0.3% would just increase more and more. And then after a certain point, you would want to compare the Shopify plan to the advanced plan. See, the difference between these is $220. At what point would saving 0.2% be worth it? And just to do that quick out of curiosity, 220 divided by 0.002, you'd have to sell $110,000 per month to make it worth it just off of that percentage to switch to the advanced plan. And doing the math is as simple as that, so just make sure you're not overpaying.